A lot of people keep talking about how contaminated our food is. What y'all gotta understand is that it don't matter what you eat in this country. Everything that you eat in this country is poisonous. Everything. Even the tofu you think you were eating. Everything in America is poison. It's just that some stuff is more poison than others. Y'all gotta understand, we are living in a closed department. Our air is contaminated. When you wake up every day, you are breathing in contaminated air. Every day. Right now, you are breathing in contaminated air. That's our atmosphere. Our soil we stand on. So if we are breathing in contaminated air that we are not supposed to be breathing in, what makes you think that our soil is not going through the same thing that we are going through? Our soil soaks up the air more than we does. So if we are breathing in contaminated air every single day, every day we see them with airplanes contaminating our air. That doesn't include all the fires that we have, all that shit. That doesn't include the machine that actually brings out these clouds. We don't know what is above us at all. We don't know how poisonous above us is. All we know is that we is breathing it in every single day. And just like we breathe in every day, our soil got to breathe every single day. So if the sun is bearing down on our soil and bearing down on us, and then it needs the water, right? Our atmosphere is contaminated. So that means our air is contaminated. So that means when it rains, all that contaminated air and all that contaminated is all in the rain, and they got to come down on us. So our soil is getting contaminated by contaminated rain, and it's being soaked in by the air because the sun is opening up. And then we got to understand that we are a human being too. So that means all that rain, when it rains on us. All that contaminated rain. So it's too bad we got to soak in this contaminated air, right? Then when it rains on us, and then the sun. So being a human being is basically being like the grass because the sun bears down on us. It's just that the soil bears fruit. So what is we bearing when we get contaminated by the air, the sun, and the water? We already know that the soil get contaminated by the air, the water, and the soil. What does human beings get contaminated with when we have been contaminated by the air, the water, and the sun?